BG Products is committed to providing solutions to prevent premature drivability issues, including those caused by deposits. The BG Engine Performance Service will help keep your engine running at peak performance and restore fuel economy and power. The first step is to add BG Engine Performance Restoration, or EPR, to the existing oil. Then, run the engine for a minimum of 10 minutes at 1200 RPM. Watch how BG EPR is working to soften and remove fuel gums and oil deposits from piston rings, which dramatically improves compression. Now, BG Advanced Formula MOA is added with the new oil. This chemistry fortifies all engine oils to prevent oxidation and sludge buildup, protecting your engine as you drive. To complete the service, BG 44K is added to the fuel tank, cleaning everywhere fuel goes, including fuel injectors and combustion chambers. BG 44K reduces drivability problems such as engine surge, stalling, stumble, hesitation, and power loss. The result is restored engine performance and fuel economy. The BG Engine Performance Service is a simple, safe, and effective way to restore peak engine performance. The three-step process removes deposits and fortifies engine oil to resist breakdown and protect your engine. To address the hard-to-reach deposits in the induction system, BG has developed a revolutionary new process we call the BG Platinum Fuel System Service. The BG Platinum Fuel Service Supply Tool deploys platinum air intake, valve, and combustion chamber cleaner directly to the intake plenum. This service removes deposits from the intake, valves, and combustion chambers to restore proper air-fuel mixture, fuel economy, performance, and power to your vehicle while reducing harmful emissions.